Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the types of different development life cycle. Friend, this is a very important topic in project management. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, please note that types of development life cycle, this is a topic which we have taken it from the PMBOK guide 6th edition, and it's a very important topic, and you will definitely see this topic in the PMP exam. So first, development life cycle. When we talk about development life cycle, basically we are referring to the steps which we use normally for the implementation of a project in project management. So first development life cycle is the predictive life cycle. This is called as waterfall life cycle as well. Waterfall means that we do all the planning, scoping in the early stage of the project. So that means like we do the project in the sequential way. We do the planning, then execution, and then implementation. So all the scope, time, cost are determined at the very earliest stage of the project, and once the one stage completes, so we cannot go back into the previous stage. Next is the iterative life cycle. That means project scope is generally determined in the project life cycle. Iteration develops the project through a series of repeated cycles, and increments successively add to the functionality of the product. So basically, iterative means that we divide the project into iterations. Like, it is not sequential approach, it is the iterative approach, and with the passage of time and with the each iteration, project gets more improved and gets more functionality added. Next is the adaptive life cycle. Adaptive life cycle, or we can say the agile approach. Basically, this is the approach of the like iteration or agile based approach. The detailed scope is defined and approved before the start of the iteration, and we divide the project into multiple chunks, and we deliver the project to the customer with the chunk based approach, a sprint based approach. With each sprint, the project gets more approved, more improved and delivered to the customer, and customer gets an idea more about uh, uh, using the chunks or sprint based approach. He is getting the more value, and we get the feedback of customer at a very early stage in the agile actually. Next is the incremental life cycle. In the incremental life cycle, the delivered detailed scope is produced through a set of iterations that successively add functionality within a predetermined time frame. Okay, so this is also another approach of incremental. Next and the last is the hybrid life cycle. Hybrid life cycle means, if you just see from the here name, it is a combination of the predictive of waterfall and adaptive life cycle. Adaptive means waterfall, so that means hybrid approach normally means that it's a combination of two approaches. Generally we refer to hybrid to the combination of waterfall and the agile approach. Okay, so that means we see that where ever applicable, like if waterfall approach is more applicable in, like for example in the planning stage, waterfall approach is more applicable, so we use it. During the execution, the agile based approach is more approachable, so we use the agile based approach there. So basically it is, as a project manager or as a company, it is your decision that which approach is more approachable, which more applicable at which particular stage. So at as per the need basis, as per the requirement basis, we use different approaches as per the needed basis. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.